Since its launch in 2011, the XUV 500 has set many benchmarks. You must be wondering, the world already knows about the Cheetah. So, what has changed? Well, the world has changed since XUV 500's launch in 2011. And so has the Cheetah. It has evolved and is back better than before in its all-new avatar with bold cheetah-inspired styling, cutting-edge technology and premium new features. Please welcome the new age XUV 500. The XUV 500 comes with several new features, making it even more tech-packed than ever before. The new age XUV 500 comes loaded with even more new and exciting high-tech features like the much-awaited electric sunroof, 6-way power adjustable driver's seat, logo projection lamps on the ORVMs, push-button start, passive keyless entry, reverse camera, new 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system and much more. The new static bending projector headlamps with light guides are like the Cheetah's eyes. The stylish new front grille sports new chrome inserts. You will also notice that the premium chrome has been extended to the fog lamp bezel as well. Look at the new bumper. And the bonnet of this new age XUV 500 gives it a more muscular, aggressive and premium look. The new age XUV 500 comes with the new hydraulic assisted bonnet, which makes the bonnet opening very effortless for you. Let me show you. Wow, that was comfortable. The ARI has certified that with the micro hybrid technology, the new age XUV 500 can deliver a fuel efficiency of up to 16 kilometers to a liter. The new brake energy regeneration system ensures intelligent energy management. During excess braking, the energy is utilized in charging of the battery, and while acceleration, the battery charging is disengaged to improve vehicle performance. The logo projection on the ground from its ORVMs is a first-in-class feature and is not available even in the most luxury cars in India. Moving forward, take a look at these stylish 17-inch alloy wheels. The first thing you will notice is the premium-looking chrome rear applique. The premium chrome lining along the windows of the new age XUV 500, which goes right till the end and to the forward as well. The new age XUV 500 comes with new passive keyless entry. You don't have to use your key, nor do you have to press any remote to unlock the XUV 500. Well, just keep the key in your pocket and press the small button. Eureka! The car door is open. And now, let's move to the premium new interiors of the new age XUV 500. The moment you enter the new age XUV 500, you will be warmly greeted by the new premium black and beige interiors. But before we step in, check out the new illuminated scuff plates. And now, let me showcase to you the most exciting new feature of the new age XUV 500. Just take a look above. This is the all-new electric sunroof. Let me show you. A feature I'm sure you always wanted, which will definitely make your driving experience a pleasurable one. The new driver's seat is a 6-way power adjustable. Let me show you. In order to move the seat forward, press the button, forward, In order to take the seat backwards, push the button back. In order to elevate your seat, push it upwards. In order to push your seat down, just push the button down. In order to recline your seat backward, push this button back. And in order to maintain an upright posture, push this button forward. You will be delighted to know that the new age XUV500 is equipped with a convenient new push button start. And now, check out the new premium dual-tone dashboard with the new integrated instrument cluster. Check out the new icy blue illuminated twin pod clusters. The driver gets voice alerts in a variety of situations like seat belt or door open alert, low engine oil pressure, and so on through the new voice messaging system. And this brings us to the new age XUV500's new infotainment system. This new high-tech infotainment system comes with a large 7 inches touchscreen. And while reverse parking, it provides reverse parking assistance through audio and digital distance display of obstacles in the rear of the vehicle. The new age XUV500 also has a more dynamic rear-view camera. Even in the smallest of places and crowded conditions, you will experience amazing ease while reverse parking. Its angular parking and parallel parking feature will ensure that you're able to park your vehicle in a parking with utmost ease. Another dimension that will make you appreciate the smooth ride and handling of the new age XUV500 is its sporty suspension system. It offers a combination of MacPherson strut suspension in the front and independent multi-link suspension in the rear. You will be glad to know that we have further enhanced the ride and handling of the new age XUV500. I'm very sure by now you must have fallen in love with the new age XUV500. If I have to sum it up, the new age XUV500 is a perfect combination of aggressive cheetah-inspired styling, power-packed performance, most advanced technology features, best-in-class safety, luxurious comfort, and excellent craftsmanship. It has virtually everything that you can ask for.